So guys, I'm back. Someone said it was glitching, so I had to go and restart and come back. So that's exactly what happened. So but now I'm back. So let's get started. So like I said, like I told you before while I was streaming earlier, I told you that Nasdaq is going to take out that low, and it have actually hit the trend line from the daily, which I believe that is not gonna go below 11677.76. So I'm looking at that strong level there. I'm looking at that strong level there. Okay, it's already there already. I'm looking at this level. I'm not expecting it to go below 11692.77. 11692.77 is the level I'm looking at right now. So yeah, I had to restart. Yeah, I had to restart. Sometimes it happens like that when there are glitches like that. You have to close the do something about it. So I just did. And so even on gold, Nasdaq is really. I told you guys from the daily. If you look at the daily, sorry guys. If you look at the daily, you can see that Nasdaq have actually. Let me remove the bank zone indicator so that this is a bit easier to view. So you will see that it have actually retested the trend line again. So and this time around, because it have retested the trend line, we are expecting it to break out to the upside again, and this time we are expecting it to break above the daily resistance. So that is what is happening right now. It have actually gone back to retest that trend line. That's the reason why it have been falling for days now. So with that said, on 30 minutes time frame, it have actually done. It's not going to go lower than necessary. I'm looking at that level. It shouldn't go beyond that, below this support here. Sorry, it shouldn't go below this support here. There's a support here at 11675.73. I don't expect it to go below that level, and because it has to take out the low. People who are short, sorry, who are long, who didn't take profit, they have now been taken out. I'm expecting this market now to begin to get ready for that explosive run to the upside, and then once it breaks out, we are going to be seeing this market begin to move towards the daily. Okay, so that is for Nasdaq. And on gold, if you look at the daily time frame, it have also hit that trend line again, also on gold. It have actually hit that trend line on gold right now. You can see it have actually hit that trend line on gold. So I'm also expecting to see some kind of bullish move to the upside, explosive move to the upside. That's what I'm expecting to see. It have actually hit the trend line. That's it, guys. So how do we trade this? How do we trade these? People, if you want to know how we can get into this market, we are going to be looking at some significant things. You're going to be looking at some important things. I've marked up some levels, and now we're in a range. If we can break above this level at 1780.78, then we are going to go bullish and target this level at 7. We're going to target this resistance at 1786.68. Point 0.68. That's the level we're going to be looking at. So bear it in mind. That's the level we are looking at on gold. Then if we break below then we're going to be looking at this resistance at our first TP1 at 1771.23. Okay, if we break below, but I am very very bullish because we have already retested this trend line. However, they might actually decide to go down there and stop hunt people to the downside. They might actually go there and put in a long wick to take out everybody before that bullish run begins. It is very very possible. If I see something like that, then I'm gonna go bullish and I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm not gonna close it. I'm gonna swing trade it until we run up till 1809.5. That's the level I'm going to be looking at if it happens. But right now, we will see that the market have actually created this high yesterday, this low yesterday, and then came back to create another low, the same level. The market has been playing around it. However, there's not. I won't be surprised to see this market go back there one last time to stop hunt people to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised to see this market go down there, stop hunt people, and then explode to the upside. It is very very possible. It could play around there That's if there's a news. Most times they do this thing with the news. Most times they do it with the news. Let's see if there's a news tomorrow. If there's a news tomorrow, know that maybe that's what they're targeting. There's a USD. There's no high impact news. That means they're just going to do it like that. They're just going to do it like that. So, but for now, this is what we're looking at. Let us take a look at Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD, guys. So, Euro USD on the daily. I'm going to start on the daily to get the higher time frame perspective as to what is happening in the markets. Good morning, CJ. You're welcome. This is Millionaires FX, and you're welcome to be a part of this session. You're welcome. This is New York session. We are looking for trading opportunities. As you can see on Euro Euro USD, this market is actually looking kind of okay. I'm going to take out this level here so that it's going to be clearer. So on Euro USD, we also have this trend that actually started, and then the interesting part of Euro USD is that we have this higher time frame trend on a daily. The market have done the impulse, and now we're expecting a correction all the way back to this trend line. So, but right now we don't want to pay attention. We don't want to focus more on the on what's happening on the higher time, on the on the trend. So, but right now there's something that is very interesting about this Euro USD is that it is now in an uptrend. It is clearly in an uptrend, and now it is actually going back to that trend line. However, if it breaks below, then we are going to begin to target this level at 1.0. Support at 1.009946. So that's the level we're going to be looking at. And if I put the Bollinger Band, I want to see what's happening. The Bollinger Band is beginning to show some kind of rejection, decline from the upside, some kind of rejection. But that doesn't mean that it's a confirmation. If it breaks below, if for any reason it breaks below this level at 1.03505, then we're going to be looking at this level for sure. We are going to see 1.00903. That's for sure. We're going, if we can break below this level, then we are definitely going to see this level, price hits this level. So now if we go down to the lower time frame to find trading opportunities, what can we see here? What we can see is I'm going to take out this Bollinger Band, and now you can see this market is beginning to look bearish right now. I want to go down to the lower time frame, even further to the lower time frame. Okay, it is dropping seriously right now. It is dropping seriously right now. So Euro USD is looking good right now, but I do not like the price action. I would have loved to take a sell on it, but I do not like the price action. I would have loved to take a sell on it, but I do not like the price action. So for now, we're going to be looking at the first take profit at 1.04. I can get. I'm going to be waiting to see if I can get a trading opportunity. The market is kind of quiet right now, but So Nasdaq have done the same thing before, guys. It have done the same thing before. So you can see how it did this, took out this low and exploded to the upside. Now again, it has started to work its way down again. I think we are likely going to see um, that move. I do not believe that it's going to continue down. Really, I do not believe that Nasdaq is going to continue to the downside. I do not. So, but gold is looking bearish. All these currencies are looking bearish right now. That's cool. That's cool. So, and you can see that the USD is gaining momentum right now. The USD is gaining momentum right now. So that's kind of cool. The USD is picking up momentum, which is cool. So we're going to be looking for trading opportunities. If I get the trading opportunity, um I'm gonna take a sell, because from the look of things, most of these pairs are bearish, because the USD is kind of really bearish today. So however, instead of Euro USD, let's check GJ. Let's see GJ, if we can find trading opportunities on GJ. Let's take a look at the daily charts. I like to have perspective as to what is happening. So we are still waiting on gold. If gold should continue to the downside, then we're going to see we're going to find trading opportunities to go short. So we'll see, we'll get confirmation and we'll know. Okay, guys. So now on GJ, what are we expecting on the daily? What do we see? The charts look a little bit messy, guys. GJ chart look messy, but it's fine. But it's fine. So GJ is kind of in an uptrend, right? It's kind of in an uptrend. It's there again, that same level again, at that trend line again, that weak trend line. Let's see what's gonna happen on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, it's looking very bearish. You can see I've actually retested this high, and now it is beginning to fall to the ground. So now we have a wick here, and we have a wick there. I think let us see if they are going to try to fill up that wick. Let's see if we can find trading opportunities on GJ. So GJ have actually tested this high from last week. So have actually tested this high from last week, and now all this level have been taken out. If you actually trade breakouts, trend line breakouts, you could see how this one have been taken out too. You can see how that one have been taken out too. So then let's go down to the 30 minutes. So right now we are going to see, like, it's likely we are seeing a reversal in the market. So I don't think there's a trading opportunity right now on GJ. So you can see there's a trend line here on the 30 minutes. There's a range there. The market is ranging between these two resistance. Sorry, I said trend line. There's a range there. The market is ranging between these two levels, and then I do not think there's anything tradable on GJ right now. But if there's a breakout, hopefully someone can actually take a trade there. Okay, gold is beginning to break out to the downside right now. Gold is beginning to break out to the downside, but the price action is so weak. Price action is so weak. I'm looking for opportunities to go short on gold. The price action is so weak, guys. The risk to reward is shit, guys. The risk to reward on gold is shit. Okay, I'm going to take a sell on gold, guys, with a small position. And I'm going to place my stop above the I'm going to place my stop above the supports. I already take two sells, open two positions on gold right now. So I place my stop above the structure. It's not my ideal setup. So I've already taken my sell on gold. So let us see exactly grandpa market chopping mode. I'm going to be very careful with these guys. I'm placing a very tight stop and I'm monitoring it. If it tries to go against me, I'm going to close it. That's the truth. If it tries to go against me, but I just believe that the New York Open is just starting, the momentum is just kicking in. That is the reason why I'm taking the trade. I believe that there's going to be a lot of momentum kicking in. If it tries to go against me, guys, I'm going to close the trade and walk away. Okay, I'm telling you that for sure. I am actually very serious about that because I'm not expecting so much from this market. I just want to pick if I can get like 20 to 30 pips, I'm going to walk away in profits. I'm just taking this trade here right now, and then we are going to target this resistance at this support. So I'm going to target the support at 1768.95. 1768.95. That's where I'm looking. So I took that sell and we're targeting 1768.95. That's what I'm looking at. So that's where that's the sell. I just took the sell now, and my stop is above the structure, a little bit above the structure. Let us see if we can be able to get that. Let's see the risk reward ratio. It is whack, but it's okay. Let's see. Let's take that and walk away for the day. The only reason why I'm taking this trade is not my ideal setup. If the only reason why I'm taking this trade is because it is New York session. There's momentum in the market. I know there's momentum. With momentum, it could be able to push all the way down to that resistance at 1768.67. Okay, with resistance, with momentum, I believe it's gonna push all the way down. So I'm keeping a close eye on it to see what's happening. So I do not expect it to go back. I expect it to continue to drop, seriously drop with momentum until it gets down to this support at 1768. Okay, and then we're going to take that 54 pips and walk away for the day. If it happens, we take. If it doesn't, if it tries to go against me, I'm going to close it at break even and walk away for the day. So this is the only trade setup that I see right now. I do not want to take on Nasdaq. I do not want to take on Nasdaq right now, guys. I do not want to take on Nasdaq. So the trade is playing out right nicely. So let us see how much profit you can be able to walk away with from this market. Let us see how much profit you are going to walk away with from this market. I do not like the price action. We are going to see some resistance along the way, but let us see because there's a lot of momentum. New York session momentum. Traders are going to push this market. Let's see if they can push it to the downside. Let's see if they can push it down to 1770, 1771, 1768. Sorry, point 0.95, 1768. Let's see if they can push it to 1768, guys. So it's going to be a quick trade. If it works out, there's momentum. This trade should be done within a couple of minutes, and we are going to go and do other things. We just go and do other things. So it is the New York session trade, guys. So we are taking advantage of the New York session. Let's see if we can find any other trading opportunity. But okay, the Euro USD is beginning to drop right now. It's beginning to drop right now. So it's dropping right now. So if we can see that Euro USD, I doubt that Euro USD can be able to get all the way down to 1.04532. But let us see if you can be able to get down to 1.04776. Let's see if you can get down there. If it does, then that's good. So the only reason why I took this trade, I told you guys that the only reason why I took this trade is because of so I want to move my stop to break even now, guys. I'm already in the safe zone, so I want to move my stops to break even now. So I want to be risk free. I want to move my stops to break even now, guys. So I want to be risk free. Okay, I've already moved my stops to break even, guys. I've already moved my stops to break even. So let us allow this trade to run. Let us see, because I've moved my stops to break even. So let's see if this trade can run all the way down to um our take profit quickly, so that we can do something else. Okay, guys. So go Euro USD is also dropping right now. It is going down. So if you if you are in this trade, then you should be looking to take profit at 1.04779. Okay, at 1.04779, this is looking like a second chance trade. Why? Yeah, I called out this trade a long time ago. Why haven't you taken it since? It's okay to take a trade. This It's okay to take a trade. Let's see. Um, Although there's some, the goal is to take it quickly, but I believe that it's going to push all the way down to. Can you go down to the lower time frame and find some kind of pullback? It's going to help a lot if you can go down to the lower time frame, like the 15, the 5 minutes, to find pullback and then take a sell. Yeah, if you can find the pullback, it's going to help you a lot to be able to ride it smoothly. I'm already in profit now, and I've already moved my stops to break even, so I'm going to allow the trade to run. If it go back, it's going to hit my um this thing. So that's it. So this particular trade is already at the trend line, but no problem. I know they are likely going to go down to take out these two positions. They're going to go and take out these two positions. These two swing points, they are going to take out these equal lows here. So that's what I think. So it's okay to take a sell, but try to find pullback so that you don't get into drawdown. Okay. So immediately I took that trade. That's when you should have took it, so that you are just safe. Immediately I saw that it was forming a new candle. I took it immediately. We started this 15 minutes candle, this 30 minutes candle. You notice the time, the 15 minutes. Sorry. Yeah, immediately the 15 minutes candle was about to start. That was when I took it immediately, so that I'm going to follow and ride it down. You understand? Exactly at 6 p.m. That was when I took that trade. Immediately at 6 p.m. I took that trade over here at the close of that 30 minute open of the next 15 minutes candle. That's where I took it. So, but it's okay. It's likely going to continue down. So now I'm risk free. I've already moved my stops to break even. So there's no need to be scared or to panic anymore. The trade is already good. So now the trade can run. So there's a bank zone around here. I think that was the reason why the market is struggling. There's a bank zone around there. Let me find the level for you guys. There's a bank zone at 1770.03, 1770.03, 1770.03. So this is it, 1770.03. So there's a bank zone at 1770.03. So let's see if we can be able to. So there's a bank zone there, but we believe that we can be able to break that bank zone. So let's wait and see, guys, how it goes. If it runs to an appreciable level, I'm gonna take profits. And so guys, that's it. We come back another day. So that's it. That's what the market presents. We come back another day and we take another trade again. So that's it. So I'm taking a look at AUD USD right now. AUD USD is also, wow. I want to go down to the daily. Let's have a perspective on AUD USD while we wait for gold to hit our take profit. Okay. So this AUD USD right now reacting to this trend line again. This you know this trend again is reacting to this trend as if it's still trying to break below this trend again. Let's see. So guys, so this is it on the daily. Look at this on the daily, guys. Look at this on the daily. So AUD USD is looking very, very bearish. Let me see what the so look at it, guys. I think it's gonna, if it breaks below this level, if it breaks below this, I don't know if it's today or not, but let us scale it down to the lower time frame. AUD USD is dropping seriously. So right now, it is actually failing to rally. So now it is actually dropping. So how do we trade this? How can we get a trading opportunity on this? Let's scale it down to the 30 minutes and find the trading opportunities on AUD USD. We have this one. We see a range here. We see a range here. We also see another range here. So if the idea is, if we can be able to break below this range, then look at that pin. Look at that pin, which is showing that we are going to see more bearish momentum kick into this market. You can be able to, let's see if we can be able to get this level at this strong level at 0.66873. That's it for AUD USD. We're going to be looking at this level. So we took at, if you can break below it, first TP is at this level. You know, it's a small level, but that is the only trade that is available right now. You can find on AUD USD right now. Oh, gold is going back up. Are you serious? Okay, I'm already at break even, so if it decides to go up, it's going to take me out. It's not looking good at all. That's the reason why I said wait for pullback. You see that gold shit, what gold is doing. So I'm going to close this trade right now with a little bit of profit right now. It's not looking good at all. Should I allow you to take me out? I do not like. I'm closing this trade, guys. I'm closing one position in profit, and then let's allow the remaining one to run. Let me manage the trade instead. I just closed one position, it's remaining one, so I'll allow this one to run, and then we'll see what happens. If you take me out at break even, then it's fine. This is a New York session. This trade is not supposed to do like this. I expected it to drop, like seriously drop. You know, I didn't expect this kind of price action, but that is trading for you. The good thing is you need to have a good money management. If you do, then you're likely going to work out of every trade either at break even or little loss, and most times wins. So let us see if this remaining one position is going to keep running or it's going to get taken out. If it gets taken out, then it's fine. Okay, if it gets taken out, then it's fine. So that's it, guys. I do not think it's going to get taken out. I'm going to allow the remaining one to run since I'm already at break even. I've closed one position, and then I will allow the rest to run. So that's it. So I'm targeting that level at 1768.70. Like I said, that's what I'm targeting, guys. That's the level I'm looking at right now. So be advised, it's not looking good. Gold is not looking so good right now, but it's fine. So I'm already at break even. If he tries to go against me, it will just take me out at break even. So there's no need to panic. There's nothing to worry about. So the most important thing, like I always say, guys, the most important thing is money management. You need to get good entry. You need to know when to get into the market. The best trades will come when you get good entries. Okay, it's about to take. It have already taken me out, guys. I've already taken me out at break even, so it's fine. It is fine, guys. It is fine, guys. I've already taken me out at break even, so that's good. So the good thing is that there's no loss. That's the good thing. There's no loss. It's little wins, big wins. It's good. The most important thing is that there's no loss. So that's it, guys. I feel if you're just joining us, you're welcome. This is Millionaires FX. Today, when we came to the charts, they have already look at where we'd have gotten a great trading opportunity. I actually took this trade earlier today on gold. This was the level I targeted. I took it in the middle of the night. This was the level I targeted. Yeah, this is the level I targeted, but this is where it got to. That's the first trade that was a winner. Okay, this was the first trade that was a winner. Now this is the second trade at break even, so that's fine. So that's it for today. I don't think I'm going to take any other trade today. Tomorrow, hopefully, there's going to be some real momentum in the market, and then we are also going to ride it. We're also going to enjoy the move. We are going to enjoy the market tomorrow. But today, there might still be setups. If I see those setup, I'm going to drop it in a group. I'm going to get it and drop it in this group. The most important thing is money management. Like I said, if I get more setups later in the night, I'm going to be looking at the chart. If I see more great setup, I'm going to have to share it with you guys. Those in the free Discord and Telegram, I'm going to share the signal. If I get the signal, a setup of what the market's likely going to do. At this point in time, this is not the time when you get a big run, guys. This is not the time when you get a big run. This is the time when you take the small 1:2, 1:1, 1:3 and walk away. When the big run comes, we are going to find out. Okay, guys. When the opportunity for a big run comes, we're going to find out. But right now, I do not want to bet my money because the momentum is kind of funny today. The gold is actually going to get to our take profit, but it's going to get there the way it's going to be very messy. It's going to be very, very messy, and I do not like to trade messy charts. I do not like to trade messy markets. I like to trade the markets it's gonna be like grandpa market. grandpa market. It's gonna be choppy, 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 choppy kind of market, and that's not what I want. So instead, I'm gonna wait for better setup later, and then I'm gonna take advantage of it. So that's it, guys. That's it today. I think the market is actually maybe we're gonna see some movement later in the day, but right now I doubt. So I doubt that we're gonna see any kind of real movement right now. Maybe later in the night, maybe. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna sign out, guys. I didn't see nothing to trade right now, but it's fine. Elham, it's nice having you on the chat once again. Um, very soon, like I said, we're gonna be broadcasting together. We're gonna be streaming together, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. Can't wait to have you guys there with me. Um, and then I'm gonna see you guys in the class tomorrow, as usual. We'll do it the same time tomorrow. We're gonna have a lot of great session where we're gonna be talking about uh, reversal patterns, candlesticks. As we're gonna continue with the candlesticks, and then this time around we're gonna talk about reversals. So that's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on the chat, on the session, on the training, and then if I see a setup later in the day, I'm gonna post it, and then we're gonna trade it together and make money. The goal is to make money, guys, and I got you guys when it comes to that. Okay, so make sure you take care of yourself. Stay safe. Money management is key. Yeah, tomorrow, yeah, we're likely going to get that explosion tomorrow. Today there was nothing, but I believe that by tomorrow we're likely going to see people who trade today are likely going to get caught. I do not want they're going to get caught, and tomorrow we are likely going to see that explosion going to happen tomorrow. So that's okay. So but if I see a good setup, I'm looking at AUD USD. If I see that something nice on AUD USD, if it's able to break below this level, I'm going to take it. But I'm going to share the setup in the group with you guys too, so don't worry. Okay, guys, you take care of yourself. I'm signing out. I thought we were going to see something nice to trade, but today there's absolutely no momentum in the market, and that's not bad. Tomorrow is another day.